stage. The key aspects from selling from stage, which I'm going to go through now, which are all these abbreviations. So we got WIFM, WY, WN, NSIC, CITY, right? So let's think about this. So if you think about the audience are going to sit there and they're going to ask, what's in it for me? So unless they're a groupie and they can bask in your sweat and they love the fact that you're breathing over them as a speaker and like, oh my God, I'm seeing you on stage. Oh my God, this is amazing. There's got to be something in it for them, right? So be aware throughout your talk, you've got to continuously reiterate what's in it for the audience. We all do this. We're selfish people. We show up to places because we want to gain something. So again, when you understand that, and it's also in my book, Speak, Influence, Sell, I do a whole section on audience psychology, right? We've got to think about that. The other aspect is why you? Why are you the person on stage? Why are you the person selling what you're selling? Why are you the person that's going to deliver what you're going to deliver? That's important to re-emphasize throughout the talk. A big key to selling on stage is why now? You've got to create that desire to do something now when you're speaking to sell on stage. Because otherwise people will postpone it. You do that. Oh, it's not the right time. It's just not yet. Oh, I'll think about that. No, you've got to create the why now. Now's the time to take action. Now's the time for you to do something about whatever it is you speak about and you're selling your product. You must get people to take action now. That's key. Some form of commitment. The next one underneath that is not sure I care. People think that when they're watching you and you're selling or they're watching your talk, they're not sure they care. Your job is to ensure that they do care. That they care about themselves because you care about them more, but you've got to make sure that they care. That they care about what you're selling, they care about your offer. Now, if they'll never be your client, that's okay. Then equally the sale is designed to get rid of people who'll never be your client. And the structure I'll show you on how to do that will do that. But you've got to make sure that those who want to care, your ideal client, that they do care. And that's why the layering of a signature talk, when you introduce any factor into the buying process, that's gonna enhance their caringness to take action and therefore improve their lives in some capacity, having seen you speak. And the last one, of course, is a massive one when it comes to any sales process. Can I trust you? Can I trust you? If there's no trust from the beginning, if there's no rapport, if there's any hesitancy, if there's any incongruency, then people won't buy from you. So when you're standing on stage and you're doing your 90 minutes and you've done an incredible job, but you haven't built the trust, when it comes to the pitch, they will just switch off. Sorry about hitting that microphone there. They will just switch off. So you've got to build the trust, right? So let me